Welcome to DreamGIS. Today we will learn how to download block-wise census data in Excel format. To do that, open a browser and type primary census abstract, then type your required district name and year of census, then search it. Now click on the first link, primary census abstract CD block wise. After open the link, you can see the PCA primary census abstract. In the below section, you can find or see the data about your data. In the table column section, you can see those data which are present in the Excel file. Now, we download the census data of Bankura district for 2011. To do that, click on download option. Just after the click, your download will started automatically. You can see our data has been successfully downloaded. Now we open it and we can see that various types of data is available in this Excel sheet, like total literate population, total worker, total marginal worker, total main cultivation worker, etc. So, following this procedure or process, you can download any census data of any district of any state. Okay, now we search for census data of Malda and you can see the file of the Malda district. Just click and your download will start it automatically. Thank you for watching this video.